Hi everyone, Vinny here with ExcelDistanceCalculators.com, where we build simple, practical Excel tools that help teams in logistics, retail, real estate, field operations, and data analysis get their work done faster. Our goal is to remove the tedious and time-consuming parts of your job and give you accurate location results right inside Excel without extra software or complicated setups. Our tools are trusted by more than 7,000 customers across many different industries, and we're proud to have earned over 150 five-star reviews on Google. Hearing how these tools help people save time, reduce manual work, and get more reliable results is what keeps us motivated to continue creating better solutions. And today I want to tell you about Emma, an operations manager for a fast-growing furniture retail with 47 stores. Every Monday, she had to deal with a large list of delivery requests, more than 300 of them, and determine which store was closest to each customer. The workload was so heavy that her team hired a part-time assistant to help. This assistant spent around 10 hours a week checking zip codes, looking up addresses in Google Maps, and manually assigning customers to stores. At $25 an hour, that came to about $1,000 every month in labor alone. And with everything being done manually, errors were still common. About 12% of deliveries were matched to the wrong store, leading to more than $2,100 a month in extra fuel cost and wasted time. Altogether, the company was losing over $3,000 each month because of this inefficient process. After several months of relying on this setup, Emma realized that even with extra help, the workflow was still too slow and too error-prone to keep up with their growing volume. The issue was on the people. It was the process. They needed something automated, reliable, and easy for anyone on the team to use. That's when she came across the Excel Store Locator, and everything finally clicked into place. Instead of spending hours every week manually matching customers to stores, Emma now completes the entire process with a single click of a button, and the tool instantly identifies the closest store for each customer using real driving distances and times from Google Maps. When she showed her leadership team how much she had been spending on unnecessary labor and fuel, the decision was easy. The tool paid for itself in the very first week. The matching errors disappeared, the manual workload dropped dramatically, and Emma finally had the time to focus on planning, scheduling, and improving operations. Even the IT department appreciated that she solved a major operational problem without needing to install anything or get the developers involved. The Excel Store Locator works in 3 simple steps. First, you paste your customer addresses and store addresses directly into the Excel tool. The tool accepts full addresses, zip codes, and city-state combinations. Second, you click the Calculate button, and the tool will automatically connect to Google Maps to measure actual driving distance and travel time. Third, within seconds, Excel fills in the nearest store for every customer, along with accurate distance and time estimates you can use right away. People love this tool because it uses real Google Maps data, handles large batches at once, supports multiple address formats, delivers consistent results, and requires no installation or technical setup. It works directly inside Excel, making it incredibly easy for anyone on the team to use. And if you want to save hours of work each week and eliminate manual store matching for good, check out the Excel Store Locator using the link in the description. And if you need a custom Excel tool designed specifically for your workflow, feel free to reach out to me anytime via live chat at ExcelDistanceCalculators.com. And if this video is helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you never miss out our next time-saving Excel tool.